whole year to go. So everyone on board, take your favorite hand and wave goodbye to all those nice people up there on the dock. Yeah, don't be rude with all the naughty ones too. Santa knows what you did. He knows what you did. Alrighty, folks, well, welcome aboard the world famous Jingle Cruise. Oh, sorry, Jingle Cruise. Sorry, y'all, that was my first Noel. Where we are world famous, we're being famous around the North Pole. My name is Skipper Katarina. That's first name Skipper, last name Katarina, but you can call me Skipper Katarina for short. And for the next 2 weeks, or however long we make it, I'll be your skipper, your tour guide, your ho-ho host, your tree trimmer, popcorn stringer, and Secret Santa. Disregard that last one, it's supposed to be a secret. Now, folks, when you look onto either side of the boat here, we do have some very festive bugs here in the jungle this holiday season. Now, these here are known as humbugs. And if we listen very, very closely, we may all be able to hear their call, okay? So everyone listen. Ah! Bah, humbugs, everyone. Yes, and if you're feeling itchy, don't worry, it's probably just the fleas and dogs. Now, folks, we do start our journey here in the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year, or just 2 with that Amazon River Prime. Yeah, the thing about that joke, guys, all about that delivery. All about that delivery. But folks, we did just pass by Inspiration Falls. You know, people ask me all the time, why is that called Inspiration Falls? Well, folks, that's because the longer you stare at that rushing gush of water, the more it will inspire you to go deeper into the jungle. Yeah, that's my #1 joke right there. Think about it. Now, folks, we did just turn down onto the Congo River. Very excited to see how far we Congo. Arranged everyone on board here today, a little holiday party. And no one showed up. Oh, no. I can't see anyone. Canoe? Ah, I'm so sorry, guys. This is so awkward. No one showed up. It's just like my 16th birthday. Well, then that's a dash off to you, shopping. Oh, my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, well, it looks like someone's going to be getting an old tree for Christmas. It's all wrapped up with a boa on top. That's awkward. Well, folks, let's make a quick hit step out my camp. We'll get a few more supplies, then head on out. Oh, no, you got to be kidding me. Hey, guys, when I said to break camp, I didn't mean literally. But here on the bright side, I wasn't able to get my Jeep started this morning, but looks like they were able to get it to turn over. And must use the monkey wrench. Or some gorilla glue. Maybe even called triple tape. Yeah. Well, folks, we're now entering onto the Nile River. The Nile River is actually very hard to navigate this time of year. There's a very strong fuel tide. Not to mention it is the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you are clearly in denial. Delusion. But thank you all for your participation. Now, folks, up on the left-hand side there, that there is the second most feared animal in all of the jungle, the African bull elephant. But approaching us here on the right-hand side, we have the most feared, his mother-in-law. Yeah, and you know what they say, the only difference between in-laws and outlaws, outlaws are wanted. Yeah. Now, folks, we have made it here to the African belt, home to a large array of different wildlife. In the back right-hand corner there, we have some long-neck reindeer. Up front here, we have the reindeer that ran over Mufasa. And in the back left-hand corner there, we have some old reindeer. Now, folks, we can tell that these reindeer are old because they're still in black and white. Yeah. Oh, and how sweet! That pride of lions invited that old reindeer over for a holiday feast. Aww. Look at all that cranberry sauce. Aww. Look about carving up that one, buddy. You're going to have to go from white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, tail. Crazy if you ask me, but I respect that. I respect that. Oh my gosh, Mr. Rhino, I actually string my popcorn. Well, you know what? We always try telling these fellas never to give a rhino a fruitcake. Looks like they got the point, though, in the end. What's a rhino? You know what I mean? What's a rhino? Oh, hey, it's my friend Ina. Hi, Ina. Hi, Ina. Oh, love Ina. She's a special type of hyena. She's an elf hyena, one of Santa's little yelpers. Yes, she is. Now, folks, if you look down into the water on either side of the boat here, if you look deep, deep down into the water, you're going to see absolutely nothing. But usually these waters do harbor piranhas. Don't worry, the piranhas are all out celebrating their holiday of Piranha, the festival of bites. We'll see about 8 days. Yeah, no worries there. Oh, no. Oh, no, guys, I might have miscalculated this turnip. I'm going to need everyone more to lean in for me. Everyone more, lean in! Lean in! Lean in! Good job, guys. That was a close one. For a second there, I thought it was about to deck the fault with folks I'm hauling. Too soon? Too soon, okay. Thank you, one person. I appreciate that. Now, folks, it is at this time that the Jingle Cruise Aviation a great deal going on for you guys. Half off a plane for all of your holiday travels. Yeah, it's quite the steal. Reinforced steal, that's what that is. But folks, we all know what a downed plane in the jungle means. Hippos! Oh no! When I said I wanted hungry hippos for Christmas, this is not what it is. I'll be a little bit more specific on my Christmas list, but don't worry, I'm gonna scare these hippos off. The same way I scared off my last relationship. I love you! And we'll never hear from them again. Now folks, it does appear we're coming up on some sort of shipwreck, and the monkey up front does have a microphone, so let's all go ahead and listen in, see what he has to say. Parents! I am so sorry. I have no idea where they picked up on that type of language, but hey, what can I say? Must be a chimp off that old block. Good luck on the naughty list this year, buddy. Oh, what's going on over here? Wow, nothing seems to bump these monkeys. But you know what, guys? I do have to get something off my chest, okay? You know, butterflies sure aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Well, folks, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. The real reason you waited in line and got on my boat here today, the main attraction here at the Jingle Cruise. The one, the only, the eighth wonder of the world, from that side of water. O2H, O2H, O2H. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I like to make chemistry jokes periodically. Anyways, folks, we have made it here to the Mekong River. Yes, the Mekong River deep in heart of Cambodia. And if I'm not mistaken, by my calculations, up ahead is the entrance to Santa's super secret southern workshop. I know, very exciting, right? Yikes. So folks, as we all go through Santa's workshop, y'all all do me a huge favor. Y'all all keep your eyes open, okay? Because mine are going to be closed. You better watch out. Unheard of. So feel free to stare, take as many pictures as you want. They all have their trunks on for you. Yes, very exciting stuff. Our folks is open right up here. Her name is Bertha. You know, she's actually a little bit smelly this time of year, so instead of showering her with gifts, we decided to all come together and give her the gift of showering. Anyone else only shower for special occasions? Yeah, me too. I'm just kidding, guys, I don't shower. Oh no. I'd duck if I were y'all. I duck, goose. A little bit of dry humor for you guys. You know, people ask me all the time, is that water coming out of their trunks? It's not. Yeah, most definitely it's not, no. But that's unfortunately we are coming to the most dangerous part of our journey here together today, and that is the return to civilization. I know. I'm so sorry. So one last quick safety reminder to please remain fully seated on our back pockets, keeping our hands and arms inside the boat. Wouldn't want any of y'all to experience any sort of unnecessary peer pressure up on that dock today, now would we? Now folks, we are making one last final stop here at Trader Sam's gift shop. Although it does appear he stepped out for a moment to restock his merchandise. Yeah, you'd be surprised when people just leaving their strollers parked out front. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. But folks, if y'all laughed today, thank you so much for laughing. And if you did not laugh today, well, thank y'all so much for leaving. It's been a really awkward 10 minutes of you guys just staring at me. I'm just kidding, guys. Y'all have all been outstanding. But pretty soon I am going to need y'all to be outstanding on that dog for me, okay? Out of all the cruises I've had today, y'all have certainly been the most recent, so thank y'all. I really do appreciate it.
Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.